Hello, this is the second of the two complex number videos on the Argand diagram and looks at representation of rotation and multiplication by I. In the previous video, we saw that an Argand diagram has a real and an imaginary axis. In this Argand diagram, you can see that all four quadrants are shown. Consider the number z equals 5. Multiplying by I gives zi equals 5i. This results in a 90 degrees rotation anti-clockwise about the origin. So you can see that, as expected, 5i lies purely along the imaginary axis. If we were to multiply by I again, remembering that I squared equals minus 1, then we would have minus 5, resulting in another 90 degree rotation and negative 5 along the real axis. If we were to multiply by I yet again, remembering from previous sessions that I cubed equals minus I, and that I to the 4 equals plus 1, you would find further rotations taking us round to the negative imaginary axis and the real axis again. Looking at another example where z equals 5 plus 2i, multiplying by I will give us that zi equals 5i plus 2i squared, or in other words minus 2 plus 5i. As expected, this results in a 90 degrees anti-clockwise rotation about the origin. If we now considered this number as w, multiplying by I again would give minus 2i plus 5i squared, or minus 5 minus 2i. Again, as expected, this has resulted in another 90 degrees rotation anti-clockwise about the origin. You may wish to try other examples for yourselves, but you will find that multiplying by I always gives a 90 degrees anti-clockwise rotation about the origin. This GeoGebra site will give you an opportunity to play around with complex numbers, multiplying them. You can either cut and paste this into your browser or access the GeoGebra tool via the Integral website. This is the last in this series of complex numbers for the OCR Pure Core AS Further Maths.